Surface area of cuboid. In this video, we will see how do we get the total surface area of cuboid as well as lateral surface area of cuboid and the diagonal of cuboid. Cross section. Check few examples of cross section. This is the second example of cross section. You can see it remains the same throughout. Now let us take a cuboid with length L, breadth B and height H and see all 6 different faces of the cuboid. Okay, now we will take two same type of rectangles or two same sizes of the side together. Back and front, that is L and H. Top and bottom, which have dimensions L and B. Right side and left side with dimensions B and H. Now if I have to find the total surface area of this cuboid, it will be sum of all 6 faces. That will give us 2 times L into B plus 2 times B into H plus 2 times L into H. If I remove 2 common, I will get the total surface area as 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now, suppose if I want the lateral surface area of cuboid or area of 4 walls, then top and bottom or floor and ceiling will be cancelled. That is L into B will be cancelled and sum of the remaining will give us the lateral surface area of cuboid. That is 2 times B into H plus 2 times L into H. If I remove 2H common, the formula for lateral surface area will be 2H into L plus B. Now to understand the cube diagonal of any cuboid, let us see how we can do it. You can see this triangle. It will be a right angle triangle with sides L and B. Hence the hypotenuse will be under root L square plus B square. Now let us take another triangle. This triangle, the base is root L square plus B square and the height is H. So the hypotenuse, that is the diagonal of cuboid, will be root L square plus B square plus H square. So this is the formula to find the diagonal of any cuboid with dimensions L, B and H. Thank you.